Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. The pure profit licensing and legal threat. What happens to Apple if courts permanently ban its secret multi-billion-dollar Google deal? How will Apple replace the massive free money cash flow hidden inside Safari? What is Apple's hidden backup plan if its biggest web utility partnership collapses? The 4-year smartphone trap and services pivot. Can Apple's valuation survive if consumers stop upgrading iPhones every 4 years? How far can Apple stretch its 70% profit margin services before users push back? Why is Apple quietly trying to turn the iPhone into a permanent monthly subscription? What happens to Apple's stock when hardware sales peak and completely flatten out? FinTech, App Store tolls and ecosystem traps. How did Apple secretly build a massive banking empire without taking on any credit risks? What happens to iOS if global developers successfully strike down the 30% App Store toll? How does Apple Pay quietly siphon billions in transaction fees away from traditional retail? Why did Apple design premium accessories to be completely useless without a core device? Cloud AI, corporate leasing and secondary markets. How can Apple monetize its private cloud network without destroying its data privacy narrative? How is Apple weaponizing hardware as a service to lock in Fortune 500 corporate budgets? Why is Apple using cheap refurbished phones to hunt for high-margin software subscribers? How long can Apple's invisible digital toll booths keep printing money before a total structural collapse? 6. Revenue streams. Apple uses a high-margin monetization engine that turns a physical device purchase into a gateway for recurring digital services fees, software commissions, and financial transaction charges. 8 real-world cases. 1. Direct premium hardware monetization, collecting upfront high-margin revenues from transactions involving flagship iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, and AirPods lines. 2. High-margin digital software subscriptions, capturing recurring monthly income from platform service layers, including iCloud, Apple Music, Fitness Plus, and Apple TV Plus. 3. App Store platform distribution commissions, ingesting a steady 15% to 30% toll fee on all digital applications and in-app microtransaction volumes processed through iOS. 4. Ecosystem peripheral cross-selling, generating ancillary revenue lines by selling high-value, hardware-locked accessories like Apple Watches and Apple Pencils that require a core device to operate. 5. FinTech transaction micro-fee capture, processing retail transactions via Apple Pay to claim basis point merchant interchange cuts without taking on credit default risks. 6. AppleCare extended warranty protection plans, selling high-margin device insurance extensions and premium support guarantees to mitigate consumer hardware damage risks. 7. Institutional fleet hardware leasing lines, structuring multi-year hardware as a service, HOS, subscription accounts for enterprise and educational groups to secure highly predictable device refresh cycles. 8. Intangible global licensing agreements, securing multi-billion-dollar pure profit cash distributions from Internet utility partners, such as Google, to remain the default search engine configuration inside Safari browsers. For open-ended questions. If international court decisions permanently disrupt default browser search licensing deals, how will Apple replace that massive source of pure operating profit? To what extent can recurring digital services subscriptions sustain corporate valuation metrics if consumer smartphone upgrade cycles extend past 4 years? How can Apple successfully monetize its private cloud computing network without contradicting its core privacy-first advertising message? What financial models should Apple deploy to transition retail hardware sales into a pure, monthly hardware-as-a-service consumer subscription platform? 4 deep dive explanations. Hardware to services margin cross-subsidization. Apple uses its premium physical devices as low-churn customer acquisition funnels. Once a consumer joins the platform hardware layer, Apple cross-sells high-margin digital services that command 70% plus gross profit margins, increasing overall corporate returns. Monetizing the velocity of ecosystem money. Running financial systems like Apple Pay allows the company to collect transaction fees from daily merchant economic activity. This strategy creates a high-margin, predictable cash flow stream that avoids traditional banking loan risks. Platform monetization via ecosystem tolls. The App Store billing model gives Apple a steady cut of third-party software innovations. Apple captures financial returns from new software services with near-zero variable costs, leveraging the work of global app developers. Ecosystem attachment value expansion. Apple structures its peripheral hardware options to amplify the financial returns of its core products. Peripheral items like Apple Watches and AirPods carry high product margins while anchoring the consumer deeper to their primary device investment. For implementation plans. The tiered Edge AI Cloud Premium Subscription Framework, package advanced, high-compute artificial intelligence tools behind a premium digital subscription layer, giving users a clear path to upgrade from standard on-device tools. The global mobile wallet merchant monetization expansion, rollout integrated, zero-friction merchant checkout features across international growth hubs, collecting transaction fees from local retail activities. The Unified Hardware Plus Software Enterprise Subscription Package. Create a single, monthly per-seat subscription tier for corporate clients that combines Mac hardware leasing, AppleCare protection, and corporate software management into a predictable, recurring B2B revenue stream. The high-yield certified refurbished secondary ingestion strategy. Expand official pre-owned distribution networks in developing regions, using lower-cost refurbished hardware to draw value-conscious consumers into your high-margin software ecosystem early. For implementation processes. Digital in-app microtransaction settlement sequence. A consumer completes an in-app purchase, then secure billing interfaces route the financial payment request, then the system collects the 15% to 30% platform commission toll, then the remaining balance settles automatically into the developer's account. Subscription bundle renewal and churn recovery loop. A user's monthly Apple One billing date arrives, then automated transaction engines process the payment card on file, then if the transaction fails, system alerts prompt the user to update their payment method while keeping services active for a brief grace period, then the account updates automatically to protect recurring cash flows. Enterprise fleet lease lifecycle ingestion. A corporate group signs a 3-year hardware leasing deal, then equipment flows to workers in automated tranches, then the enterprise pays predictable monthly lease fees, then at the end of the term, the old inventory returns to Apple for refurbishing while the client transitions to next-generation hardware. FinTech transaction interchange fee capture loop. A consumer uses Apple Pay at a retail point-of-sale terminal, then tokenized security frameworks process the transaction data without storing personal details, then the card network pays a set basis point interchange cut to Apple, then the transaction fee revenue routes directly to Treasury capital reserves. For actionable recommendations, focus key performance indicators on platform ARPU growth. Measure your business performance by tracking the average revenue generated per active user across your entire platform, rather than focusing purely on raw hardware shipment numbers. Treat extended warranties as high-margin relationship tools. Position your device insurance and support protection plans as high-value add-ons, using them to lower product replacement risks for your buyers while securing strong upfront margins. Build privacy-first advertising revenue lines. Grow your advertising networks inside your own built-in applications, using anonymized data methods to display relevant promotions without compromising user trust. Lower upfront purchase barriers via flexible consumer credit. Partner with financial institutions to offer direct, low-interest installment loans and trade-in options, making it simple for customers to select your premium, high-margin device tiers. For immediate to-do items, audit current customer acquisition costs across individual subscription channels to focus your marketing budgets on high-return services. Review merchant agreement structures for integrated payment features to maximize interchange fee capture across international markets. Run comprehensive financial models testing the net margin impact of changes to your default search engine licensing deals. Update trade-in valuation metrics to keep store credit incentives aligned with secondary market demand for refurbished hardware. For practical techniques, ecosystem capital efficiency tracking, an analytical framework that measures the ratio of a customer's total lifestyle spending across apps, accessories, and services against the initial cost of bringing them into the ecosystem. Price elasticity of demand, PD, simulation, a financial modeling method used to test how price changes affect purchase volumes across premium device configurations before setting final hardware retail targets. Subscription churn sensitivity matrixing, a quantitative forecasting approach that isolates which software features or pricing adjustments have the biggest impact on user subscription cancellations. Average revenue per active user, ARPU, decomposition, an evaluation technique that breaks down your user revenue lines into specific contributions from hardware sales, software services, app marketplace tools, and financial transactions. 4 practical steps. 1. Catalog all current revenue streams across your business to identify which lines deliver the highest gross profit contributions. 2. Calculate the exact profit margin of each individual service and accessory line to ensure corporate capital is directed toward your highest return products. 3. Integrate flexible payment and installment options directly into your online and retail checkout channels to help consumers upgrade to premium hardware tiers. 4. Review your product pricing metrics every quarter to adjust subscription rates and carrier financing models in response to shifting global economic conditions. If you want to master the monetization engines and hidden financial architectures that tech giants like Apple use to dominate global markets, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a corporate strategy breakdown. Head over to the links in the description below to download your free study materials and handouts, and unlock immediate, free access to our advanced chapter online tutorials. If you found these revenue and ecosystem insights valuable, please share this video with friends or colleagues who need to stay ahead of the corporate curve. The information presented in this video is compiled with the assistance of AI and may not be entirely accurate or complete. It is provided for business case study, educational, and entertainment purposes only and should not be construed as financial or investment advice.